This video I want to talk about summing. How to sum something in Python, which we sum in Python. So let's have a program, a simple program which sums the number from 1 to 100. How? Let's have a variable as sum is equal to 0, like we assign the sum's value into 0. We initialize the sum into 0. Let's have a for loop. For s in range of 1, starts from 1, goes till 100. 101. So let's increment the sum. Sum is equal to sum plus not 1 but s, not 1 but s. And let's print this. This print function is part of for loop. So the sum is sum. So in this program we have initialized a variable sum is equal to 0, means initialized is assigned to 0. The sum is initialized, and after that we have a for loop for s and range starts from 1 till 101. And now sum is assigned to sum plus s. It will sum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that it will print the sum like this: 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So till plus 101 or 100, like this. Let's see this program. What will be the result? I want to save this and let's see the result. So the sum is 50, 55,000 and 50. Let's have another example. Through this example you will understand this concept clearly. Let's have once again the sum variable initialized in sum variable is assigned to 0. It is initialized for s in range of 10. And let's have a number here. Number is equal to integer. We have an input from the user, enter a number. We'll take a number from the user, and after that we will increment the sum's value. Sum is equal to, or sum is assigned to sum plus number, the number which will take from the user. And let's print this. The sum is, so after that sum, and let's print this. We will see what happens. Enter a number. I want to enter 100. Enter another number. So it takes 10 number from the user. Let me have 10 numbers. After that it will show the sum. So the sum is 258, exactly the same. So the sum of all these are 258. And let's have the average of this sum divided by 10. If you have like this, so we will print the averages. Once again I want to give 10 numbers. After that it will show the average. The average is 46.1. I hope you understand this well.